Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kitesh Shaheen. Detailed new visual and jacket photo for the Korean 4-member girl group aespa Japanese debut single Hot Mess on sale July 3rd have all been released at once. A special event in Tokyo has also been announced. This verse includes 3 songs including the title track Hot Mess Sun and Moon and Zoom Zoom, the ending theme of the TV anime Beyblade X. All songs are original Japanese songs in addition to the limited edition were with 64-page photo book. The poster were with 4 random designs and the regular Hot Mess were. There is also a Warner Music Store edition with a set of 4 posters were. The poster were unfolds to reveal a poster of each member.